Cool, huh?
Ooh, that looks like fun.
Yeah. Wanna go in cafe? Look at that eagle, huh? Look at this big old giraffe. Look at this big old giraffe. Look at that big old.
Ooh, that is a big giraffe, isn't it? Okay.
It is really big.
Huh?
And look at this butterfly up here.
Oh my goodness.
This is the wall, kids. This is called Rainbow Cafe. See it wings?
Huh?
Going up and down. See it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Wow.
Let's go. Let's go in. You ready? Oh, let's go look at this little elephant.
Where?
Over here. Oh, an alligator. Wow, that's a big alligator.
Yeah, it's floating too. Look, its scales are floating. I think it's floating.
Is it? Look at the elephant. Look at there. Oh, I think they're fixing to make noise inside. Let's go inside.
Look at this old little cafe. Look, kids. Look, I am.
Uh-oh, they're there. Look at it.
Now we're doing the video. Look at this.
Go over there.
Look at that, kids.
Oh my goodness. Nice.
Yeah. Actually, this is like a
Some of your drink?
Look, I got frog drink and look on the bottom. Look, it's a surprise.
Oh wow, there's a surprise in there, huh?
And look at this tree over here.
See new smiling faces and returning ones too. Have a wildly
Look at
good
this.
time
Here.
while you're here. And
Ready to go?
Hey,
my name is Tracy Tree, and I was born in a place filled with lush plants, thick trees, and exotic animals. Rainforest
I had fun at the Rainforest Cafe. Bye.